Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. In today's AI Traders Live episode, we'll be focusing on the FTSE100 index constituents to find out which stocks are hot and which ones are not from an artificial intelligence trading perspective. Here's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller. I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live show. As mentioned, the FTSE100 index constituents, we're going to screen them using artificial intelligence. We use 4 artificial intelligence trading engines: major market reversal, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, all 4 of these cater for different type trading styles. Whether you're a swing trader or position trader or a day trader, all 4 of these can give you some trading ideas. Major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. Now, a quick tip of the iceberg explanation how the AI works is the AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicators and market relationships using neural networks, genetic algorithms, and fuzzy logic. What this means is the artificial intelligence takes all available trading strategies from a technical analysis perspective, tests them with all available settings, every single one with every single other one with every single possible setting. And therefore, that identifies the high probability trade setups. It eliminates the weak ones, and we only focus on those that are consistently profitable, high probability trade setups. This brings us back to these 4 artificial intelligence engines. We'll jump straight into the MetaStock platform using the Fulgent AI engine to screen the FTSE100, looking for hot artificial intelligence generate trading ideas. Now, we use the Fulgent AI engine that sits within the MetaStock platform. And we've got these 4 artificial intelligence engine strategies. We told the AI to go in, look at the FTSE100 stocks, and come up with a highly profitable trading strategy. And we've tested thousands of data points, going back as far as we got the data. Now, the major market reversal trading strategy is on average 79% profitable. So like 7 out of 10 or 8 out of 10 trades are profitable. The average profit per trade is 12%. Now, this is over thousands of data points. The swing trade strategy, classic swing trades, in one day, out a couple of days later, or a couple of weeks, or a couple of months, depending on how long you want to keep the trade on. And if it reaches your trading stop loss, is on average 70% accurate, with average profit per trade of 5.7% over the testing period. Now, once again, we've used thousands of data points. Volatility breakout is a quick trade. When the AI sees increased volatility in a particular instrument, it will identify a particular trade that's on average 51% accurate, with average profit per trade of 2.9%. And then the quick move strategy is particularly good for short-term day traders and intraday traders. In on day 1, out on the 3rd or 4th day, and that's on average 62% accurate. So we've tested these, and these are simply absolutely astounding trading statistics using the AI engine trading the FTSE100 stocks in particular. Now, I've run the screen, loaded the engine. Takes a couple of minutes to run through the FTSE100. There's 50 trades where the AI is in a trade. There's 51 rejects. The AI index actually got more than 100 stocks in it. That's why it says 51. So on the sheet here, what we've got is the column headings here. We sort them by bars, tells you how old a trade is. So you can see there's a few where the AI has been in a trade for a couple of weeks already. Trading days, so we'll focus on the most recent trades. In a long, in a short, will tell you if the AI is long in a particular instrument or short. We particularly focus on longs right now in view of the recent correction in the market. Hits tells you how many times in the testing period did this particular trade setup fire for this particular stock. So there's more than 1,000 incidents where this trade setup occurred for this particular share. The accuracy is average 65%, so 6 out of 10 trades basically are profitable, 3.5% average profit per trade. And here we can see what the particular instrument is, code 105, 100, 106. That tells you what type of AI engine was used. 105 is a volatility breakout. That's a quick trade strategy. Number 100 is a major market reversal, which is particularly accurate. That's the one that's almost 80% accurate on average. And that's a favorite trading, one of my favorite trading strategies is the major market reversal one. 106 is the quick one, quick move, swing trader. For the in on the first day of the trade, out on the 3rd or 4th day. And then let me see, 104 is the classic swing trade. These trades can last from days to weeks to months even. You just move your trading stop loss up. So you can see we've got kind of trade setups, various type strategies. This particular 104 classic swing trades in this particular instrument occurred 533 times, 72% accurate on average, trading that particular stock using the AI. So you can actually custom make and search if you're only looking for incredibly high probability trade setups. You can see major market reversal there is 79% accurate, 65%, 72, 79. And you can see how many times, more than 1,100 times, that this particular trade setup occur, and it was profitable for more than 1,000 times in the testing period. So you can see high profitability trading strategy. So if we look at Antofagasta, for example, there we go. We can see if we just look at how the trades have unfolded the last couple of months. We had a beautiful swing trade here in February, captured the entire move, February, March 1. And then it hit the trailing stop here, gap down, new volatility breakout. And you can see the AI generates a volatility adjusted trailing stop loss. And that's just below 1.4K in this instance. But so far, so good. Lots of profitable trading ideas using the AI. On Antofagasta, for example, he has major market reversal one, volatility breakout one, swing trade, all worked out very well. So keep that one on your watch list and see how that one unfolds. Next one is Glencore, also a fantastic trade over the last couple of months using the AI. You can see if we go back, volatility breakout there, and if we look at the weekly one, you can even use the AI on a weekly basis. Gives a couple of seconds to load the data. There we go. You can see the volatility breakout here, captured most of the huge run up in Glencore for most of the year. So you would have been in this trade most of the year. The weekly trade did hit the trailing stop loss there. So your weekly trade would have been out, but you would have gone from 100 to 480, 500 even in this case. So using the AI on a end of day weekly basis. Next up is JD Sport. We can see here in March we had a lovely trade there, made a market reversal. The February one got stopped out, volatility breakout, they also got stopped out, but there was a short sell signal there. You can use the sell signals of the AI to go short a particular instrument, for example. But the March rally there worked out nicely, and then the April major market reversal, also a positive signal there. And a trailing stop loss is quite wide. The AI looks at the volatility, then adjusts the trailing stop loss. And the signals can occur early sometimes, so you do have a day or two to get into a particular trade. But the major market reversal on JD Sports right now. Now, we do know that this particular strategy on JD Sports is on average 79% accurate. So we should see some profits coming from JD Sports using the AI engine. Right. Next up is Consolidated Air, British Airways, major market reversal, signal there. We've got a very wide stop loss on this one. You can see there is the trailing stop loss. It'll be interesting to see if we're going to get a follow through of this move. See, the last major market reversal also did make some profit, and the volatility breakout here also made some profit, and that one there got stopped out, but the second one worked out well. So far so good using the AI to trade British Airways stocks. So major market reversal signal on British Airways. Next up is Antofagasta. We can see their volatility breakout. Their great trade last couple of months, swing trade, volatility breakout in December. January one got stopped out there. Volatility breakout in February, caught that whole move. Gap down there, volatility breakout, rebound there, and watch out, the trailing stop loss is very wide there. You can have your own trailing stop loss depending on your own risk profile. You don't always have to follow the AI's one, but it's a very good trailing stop that the AI does generate, adjusts for volatility. So Antofagasta, nice volatility breakout signal there. The upside potential would be this one back down to where that base support line was violated there. So that's the gap to be closed. So there's quite a couple of points in Antofagasta using the AI. Rolls-Royce Holdings, we had a couple of trades there. This major market reversal signal there. It's very close to the trailing stop loss, so it might be interesting to see if we can take a swing trade from this zone back up to the old highs here on Rolls-Royce. Volatility breakout there worked out well. February one got stopped out there, so we'll see how close this one is to a potential swing to the upside. Next up is Ashtead Group, ATH.L. We had a fantastic trade. Yeah, the last couple of months last year was particularly good. You can see this major market reversal back here in 2020 was a huge move, captured that entire move, and you can see how the AI did keep the trailing stop loss moving higher. There was a quick move there, and then the downside occurred. Now we have a volatility breakout on it now. Let's zoom in there. So it will be interesting to see if we're going to get a rally back from this zone here. Volatility breakout. Now the trailing stop loss is just here underneath the 4K zone. And the upside first level of profit target would be that zone there. And then this high there would be the upside profit targets on this one. Just put those lines in there. So that's the upside target. First one and then second one. But volatility breakout on it will be interesting to see if we get a follow through of that signal this coming week. But fantastic signals as generated by AI. Now you might ask the question, why aren't there any signals in this area? There might be signals, but they're not high probability signals. Okay, we know from the requirement is that this particular signal 105 volatility breakout is 65% accurate on average with this particular share. So keep that in mind. We're only looking for high probability trade setups. So if there's any trade setups within this time frame that are not high probability trades, they would obviously not come onto the system. Okay. So that's just some of the trades that the AI is trading. There's about 50 positions. You can see how many days into the trade these trades are. We also know now how accurate this particular trading strategy is. 79% accurate on average trading that particular stock, like Barclays, and for example. Yeah, it's quite an interesting one as well. Let's just have a look at that chart. Where's the Barclays one? There we go. You can see swing trade there, volatility breakout there. That one worked out. That one got stopped out. That swing trade worked out well. So you can use the AI to trade the bank stocks as well. And it does generate some really great trading ideas with very wide stop loss on this particular stock. But so far so good using the AI. And this is recap those names. So these are the names, top trade ideas coming out of the FTSE100 right now. It's pretty easy to find them. You just click on that section there, select the Fulgent for stocks, select the FTSE100 index, and then run the exploration, and the report will generate the trade ideas, also show you how long into the trade. The AI has identified how many bars ago did this trade occur, and how accurate it is, and how many times did this particular trade setup occur in the testing period. So we can see we're only looking for something that's generally 65% plus, and you can see we've had some 80% accuracy, 79, 80% trade ideas generated by artificial intelligence. And that brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. Thanks for watching. For our regular viewers, for those that's new and you would like to get more information on how to get your hands on your own AI trading system, hold on for the next section where I'll explain detail links how to get your hands on the Fulgent AI on the Metastock platform. And for all my regular watchers, thanks for watching, and join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now. Two key ingredients to be successful with artificial intelligence trading. You need the Fulgent AI application and that sits on the Metastock platform. Now, Metastock's been around for many, many years. It's won numerous awards for best software for the retail trader. It's also been used by the Thomson Reuters Icon platform. And it's won numerous awards, as I've mentioned, yeah. And then the Fulgent AI has been developed by Nirvana Systems, and Nirvana Systems has been looking at software automation for trading since 1996. And the Fulgent AI uses genetic algorithms, neural logic, and neural networks and fuzzy logic to identify key price movements and high probability trade setups. So both companies have been around for quite some time, and these are great partners to have in your AI journey. Now, to get your hands on your own AI, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest3for1. We've got a buy 3 months for the price of one deal on at the moment. And as soon as you sign up for the actual platform, you then go to metastock.com/alphaharvestf and then get access to the Fulgent AI engine. And you can try it out as well for the next couple of months to see if it fits your trading style. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of one deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got two options for the buy 3 months for the price of one deal on Metastock platform. Yeah, those links again, metastock.com/alphaharvest3for1 and metastock.com/alphaharvestf for the Fulgent AI. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.